Okay, so this is Edmodo.com, one of my favorite web resources to use in the classroom because of all the different things you can do with it. For example, at the beginning of the year, you assign classes. So I teach 3 blocks of ELA, so I have 3 classes up here. And then for each of those classes, I can post a note, I can post an assignment. In the assignment, you can load one that you've already used before, create a due date, even add it to a gradebook, which is available on Edmodo, and then you choose the classes you'd like to assign it to. You can also create quizzes. You can load them from quizzes that you've made in the past or create a new one. Polls are for the students to give you input on information. They can be fun or just how they enjoyed something you did in class. You can use as many answers as you need to, and as they answer, it will create a bar graph for you. Snapshot is something new that Edmodo added where you can put in little tests that are aligned to each standard that you teach. So since I teach ELA, I would choose that, and you can search for standard, and they have pre-made questions made for each standard. Another cool thing on Edmodo is all the students have access to Office Online. So then when they click on that icon, they can create documents, Excel documents, or even slideshows. To do that, they would just click on what they wanted to do, give it a name, continue, and that online version of that Microsoft option is open for them. Here they can type, and it is automatically saved as they go. When it comes time to turn it in, they can turn it in under their assignment. It's stored in a little icon of theirs called their backpack. They grab it from their backpack and attach it to the assignment. For teachers, at the top there's a place that tells what assignments have been made and gives you a number of how many have turned it in, so it's very easy to keep track of. Another thing that's good is my kids are elementary students, so they don't all have email accounts. So if I want them to work collaboratively on an assignment, I can put in a Google Docs link and they can go to that from Edmodo and work on their assignments together. So because of all these features, that's why Edmodo is one of my favorite sites. Having the ability to add in links that the kids can click on and go to, having the ability to post all the classwork and assignments done that day so they can have no excuse for not having their homework the next day, and all these options make it a very cool website for class.